Welcome back to Physio Classroom. In today's video, I'll show you some exercises for Dequervains tenosynovitis. We'll start with gentle, pain-free exercises, then move into strengthening and mobility work. So follow along step by step. This condition causes pain on the thumb side of the wrist because of irritation to two tendons, the abductor pollicis longus and the extensor pollicis brevis. So let's see the exercises that will help in this condition. In the first exercise, loop a rubber band around your thumb. With your other hand, gently pull the band inward toward your palm to create tension. Keep the thumb steady, don't let it move. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then relax. Repeat 8 to 10 times. This exercise reduces pain and gently activates the tendon without causing friction. Second exercise is the eccentric thumb control. Positioning remains the same. Just slowly let the thumb return to neutral against the pull of the band. Take about 3 to 4 seconds for the lowering. Repeat 8 to 10 times for 2 sets. Vary the angle of the band to train the tendon in different directions. This eccentric exercise is one of the best ways to promote tendon healing and long-term resilience. Third exercise is the concentric thumb strengthening. Now anchor the band so it pulls inward. Actively push the thumb against the band's resistance, then return slowly. Do 8 to 12 repetitions for 2 to 3 sets. Again, you can change the band angle to strengthen through multiple planes. This builds true strength of the thumb tendons and prepares you for everyday activities. Fourth is thumb joint circles with gentle traction. With your other hand, grip the base of the thumb just above the wrist. Apply a gentle outward pull, as if you are slightly separating the thumb from the wrist. While keeping that light traction, move the base of the thumb in small circles, 10 clockwise and 10 anti-clockwise. This mobilizes the carpometacarpal joint and helps the tendons glide more smoothly. Fifth exercise is the radial ulnar deviation with weight. Hold a light hammer or small water bottle upright. Rest your forearm on a table with your hand free at the edge. Slowly tilt your wrist toward the thumb side, radial deviation, and then toward the little finger side, ulnar deviation. Do 10 reps each way, 2 sets. Sixth exercise is wrist circles on table. Place your palm flat on a table with the elbow straight and fingers relaxed. Shift your body weight gently to draw small circles over the wrist. Do 30 seconds clockwise, then 30 seconds anti-clockwise. Repeat twice. This improves carpal bone movement and reduces stiffness. Next is forearm extensor stretch. Extend your arm forward at shoulder height. Bend the wrist downward and gently curl the thumb under the fingers. You should feel a stretch along the back of the forearm. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. This reduces tightness in the wrist extensors that overload the thumb tendons. Next is the radial nerve slider. With your arms stretched out to the side, elbow straight, wrist flexed, and thumb tucked in. Now bend your neck away from that arm while you extend your wrist and open your fingers. Then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 times. This mobilizes the superficial radial nerve, which can sometimes make the pain feel worse if it's tight or irritated. Next one is for pain relief, the self-trigger point release. Take a massage ball and roll it along the outer side of your forearm, especially over the muscles near the elbow and wrist. When you find a tender spot, press gently and hold for 20 to 30 seconds until the tenderness eases. Then continue rolling to find the next point. Do this for a total of 1 to 2 minutes. This helps release tight muscles that place extra load on the thumb tendons. And the last one is the strain-counterstrain technique. For this, keep the hand supported on a pillow. Apply an approximation force towards the base of the thumb with the other hand and try to find the most relieving position and maintaining it there for at least 60 to 90 seconds. This technique helps calm down protective reflexes and often provides immediate relief. These are the 10 best home exercises for Dequervains tenosynovitis. Do them daily, stay within a pain-free range, and you'll notice steady improvements in pain and movement. Thanks for watching Physio Classroom.